Asking a guy out, is that a big deal?
No, I do it all the time. Surya Namaskar. Oh, okay, we are into Surya Namaskar. She goes, but like a stripper. So like, how does that work, right? So suddenly everyone's like, like trying to like do this stripper Surya Namaskar, going all that. My problem is that I'm a little colorblind. I see red as green and green as red. Okay, but so मैं भी यही believe करती थी कि oh I loved them and you were in my life and you changed everything and like how can we not be friends and I cannot imagine my life without you and all of that. Here's my therapist's number and
Nice.
put the code Isha50 and you get a discount on your first session. He was raised in a different generation.
Gen Z boys are better. Can we say that?
Yeah, Gen Z boys are better.
Hi guys, welcome to Fever. आप इस वक्त रेडियो सुन रहे हैं या हमें Instagram पे, Facebook पे या YouTube पे देख रहे हैं. Welcome to the Super Womania Show. अब आपको पता है that Women at Work is the new segment जहाँ पे women who inspire us, who are following their heart and doing really well, उनको मैं लेके आती हूँ ताकि आप और मैं उनसे वो सवाल पूछ पाएं that we really want to ask. My guest today is someone special. I think एक connection सीधा ही बैठ जाता है is when you see her because we are wearing similar prints. It's Isha Chopra. Welcome to Fever.
Thank you. Hi.
मैं उठी, मैंने डिसाइड किया जो मेरे जैसे देखेगा बस उसी के साथ हम बात करेंगे. ईशा, आई एम सो हैप्पी टू सी यू बिकॉज अदरवाइज आप मेरे ग्रिड पे होती हैं और आप जो रैंट्स हम करते नहीं हैं वो आप हमारे लिए करती हैं. वी हैव लव्ड यू ओवर द इयर्स, योर स्किट्स, योर एक्टिंग एंड नाउ व्हिच आई गॉट टू नो, जो फिल्म हमें बड़ी अच्छी लगी, दो और दो प्यार, उसको आपने co-write भी किया है. So congratulations, the film is doing so well.
Yes, thank you.
And you always knew you wanted to be an actor, you wanted to be part of the industry.
No. So I actually, I started doing theatre when I was very young. And I was always an artist actually. I went to art school, so I studied art and design.
Right.
But I was in New York and udhar I discovered film. And I never grew up on a diet of films or things like that. So it was something very new and something very fascinating, and I was like, shit, why am I in art school? I should be in film school. And at that point I think I just started like, it's also New York City, it's like it makes you view life as stories.
Yeah.
In New York it's very normal कि आप park bench पे बैठे हो, someone comes and starts talking to you, and from that point onwards your life can go this way or that way.
Yeah.
And I mean life because it's very like a sliding doors movement when you live there. And I think that living there really kind of affected me in that sense. Like I started seeing life as like episodes, and there was always like a cliffhanger, and there was always like a recap, and I think that's just like the way I view things. It's like the lens I.
Do you feel कि लोगों को feminism की definition समझ में आई है, men and women, in the light of what somebody like Nora Fatehi said, or so many others say when they keep giving these, making it the villain in a way?
So I think that so I grew up in a feminist household. I have a fun story actually about this. Yeah?
We're here for
Is it time for a fun story?
Yes.
A couple of years ago, I went for a pole dancing class. And मेरी best friend थी and she had a yoga studio and she's like, हमारे कोई sign ups नहीं है, you have to come. So sure. So I went. And there's a pole, of course. And the teacher goes, okay, so everyone here is a yogi. We're going to start with a warm-up.
Sorry, is it Arifa?
No.
Yeah.
Her name is Smiley Suri. And she actually made a huge impression on me that day because she said we're going to start with a warm-up. So, ये yoga studio है, आप सब yogi हो, so Surya Namaskar. Oh, okay, we are into Surya Namaskar. She goes, but like a stripper. So like, how does that work, right? So suddenly everyone's like, like trying to like do this stripper Surya Namaskar, going all that. And me and my best friend were just giggling. That's when the giggle actually was real. We were like, we're just guffawing, like, oh, this is so stupid. And she actually was like, you two, out. And she said, कि तुम दोनों, मतलब you're both from different cities, Bombay आए हो, and you're trying to make it as two women in a very male-driven world, in these male-driven industries. And you've had no one to protect you. So you've had to do that for yourself. You become boys. And I thought about it, and I was like, that's true. You know, and even in small physical things, like I had my hair short for many years. I used to dress a certain way because somewhere unconsciously
You're aping that, huh?
I'm tapping into my masculinity, which is there. Of course, it's there. You have it, I have it, we all have it. But I was so deep into that because I had to keep protecting myself. And that's a very masculine instinct.
Like power
You know?
dressing for the longest time is pantsuit. It's
Yeah.
never sari. You never say a
Yeah.
dress. You know,
Yeah.
it's never power dressing.
Yeah.
Power is masculine, and
Exactly.
so you.
Yeah, and there is feminine power too.
Yeah.
You know, and it just, for me, now I define things very, very differently. You know, masculinity to me is proactivity. Femininity to me is receptivity. And thanks, Miley Suri, for that.
And then now
You
you
know?
do the stripper.
Now I do a student. I'll strip Surya Namaskar my way out of this station.
I love this.
You know.
So who pays on dates? Is that a thing that you think about?
Yes.
I love it. You think about it, and then what happens?
And then I have to remind myself it doesn't matter. You know, okay, so listen, I am a millennial. I am a product of this
This
patriarchy.
is a safe space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
relax.
really? National television is a safe space? Thank you, guys.
This is
Yeah.
all our this is friends, family of
Yeah.
Supermania.
So this
we're
is
nice.
actually my favorite question because it's actually up for grabs. You know, because and it sounds so silly, right? Who pays? So I love chivalry. I honestly really love old school chivalry.
dying art.
Yes, and I love it when someone holds open the door for me.
I don't think
Yeah,
there's anything wrong. With
yeah. Lekin I feel like we can also be chivalrous.
it. Correct.
You know, why should you
Yeah.
not give that back, right? So I think that maybe it doesn't need to be only a male thing. I think everyone should hold the door open for everyone. And I
Whoever's
think,
coming after you, yeah, that's
yeah,
the polite thing to
and
do.
I mean I'm saying it metaphorically,
Correct,
but I also think that it's nice for everyone to pick up the bill once in a while. But maybe just what happens is that I think that there is that old school training of feeling that, like, at least the first date,
Yeah.
you know, which just happens to people, you know. So I think that there's always that moment where I'm, you know, when the bill comes and I start like shuffling around my bag,
Yeah.
and I
yeah,
know
yeah.
that the
Yeah, we do that.
yeah, you're just shuffling, you're not
We're
really
not
looking for
sitting pretty,
anything,
we're
you know.
like, yeah.
You start doing all of that, snaking your hand around your bag. You know, you're not really looking for your wallet
And then the
sometimes.
guy says, "Don't worry about it."
Yeah,
Yeah.
they can. I think that, like I said, that's something we also have to unlearn. And also, maybe it shouldn't be such a big deal. You know, I mean, maybe this question shouldn't be such a big deal. Like, just pick up the bill. It's okay. But I usually split the bill. My last relationship, we just had a rule, like we would just alternate. So naturally, I picked the hole in the walls.
Asking a guy out, is that a big deal?
No, I do it all the time.
I like that.
I don't have a problem asking people out. Lekin मेरे लिए भी it took me a long time to get
Yeah.
there.
Are men, again, ये version है because wokeness, making right noises, so nobody really comes out and says as much. But are they genuinely comfortable with their partners, women, being more successful, earning more than them? Is that okay, or that somewhere hurts their ego?
I think it depends on the man. You know, I've had a boyfriend who was 9 years younger than me, and I didn't find him to be at all affected by something like this. And I think that's also because, you know, he was raised in a different generation.
Gen
You
Z
know,
boys are better. Can we say that?
Yeah, Gen Z boys are better.
The Gen Z girls have all the luck. I know they're better.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure that the Gen Zs bring out the issues in each other.
Yeah.
But I just found that, I don't know, I think it really depends on the man. You can find any kind of man. And I think it's okay. Like, I don't have a problem with someone having a problem.
Yeah.
I have a problem when you don't communicate that problem to me and we don't work through
Yeah.
it.
So क्योंकि आपने इतने खूबसूरती से relationships, modern marriages को explore किया है इन दो और दो प्यार, एक बड़े सारे रिलेशनशिप के ज्ञान इसलिए हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं. But this whole process of writing, a lot of people would be so interested to know, because I think इतनी अलग stories, अलग किरदार बाहर आते हैं when you have women in the writers' room. कैसा था this whole process of writing for this film in particular?
So actually, I really have to give the producers credit for this, because they had already finalized my co-writer Supratim Sengupta, and they literally said, let's get one more writer so that we have a female voice.
Very.
So it wasn't that I was just randomly chosen. I was chosen because I was a woman. So it was actually a very equal opportunity thing. And I had acted in Nirja with the same producer. So they kind of, when you're an actor on set, especially when it's a hijack, you have a lot of time to kill. So we used to chat a lot, and we used to hang out and things like that. And Swati, producer, actually felt she used to follow me on Instagram and see like my captions and things like that, and she felt that I had an interesting kind of humorous take on things. So they invited me in for a meeting with Supratim to see the chemistry. And we always laugh because we always say that he had a swayamvar. Apparently, he was shown 3 women and he chose me.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah. So that was always like a fun thing. But we have a lot of women in the script writing stage also. Our directors, our producers, our co-writers, and I think Supratim is also the kind of guy that he knows how to handle women.
Yeah. Can you talk about a few of the things that you did differently?
Yeah, of course. So the things that were I think it's safe to say that we all have daddy issues, and a lot of that conversation that happened between Vidya and her father came from the fact that most of us we grew up in that time when men were running around climbing ladders, and we all had fathers that were working and mothers that were either working part-time or not working or coming home at 5 p.m. Most of us have been raised by our mothers. And I had a wonderful father. I still have a wonderful father. But I definitely felt a sense of absence over there. And you can say it's normal because as an adult, हम rationalize कर सकते हैं ना, that obviously they're not there 9 to 5. But how you receive that as a child and how it affects you is very different. So I feel that that sense of when she says, that I've been so starved for love that I just go looking for it wherever I can find it. That's something that I felt, that's something that I found lacking in my life, is that that we're always missing our father's love. At some level, every woman is missing her father's love, and that's why we turn to men for that, and that's why we keep rewriting the same script over and over again. Casting is a very, very long and arduous project, and also जब आप एक level पे आ जाते हो, then you can't play this, then you have to kind of work from that. So there's a lot of that, there's like, you need to like earn your market rate, you need to do something that has some prestige based on wherever you're at. So I think characters are great. I love playing characters too. I mean, even my Instagram reel is a character, right? It's just one aspect of your personality.
It was completely a pleasure. और फिर मिलेंगे हम आपसे और जो बाकी किरदार आप करते हैं.
You want to do my special handshake?
Okay.
Oh, you know it. You know it. I make everyone do this. It's super lame. Really think about whether you want to be my friend or not, because I'm secretly very lame.
No, I like that. Yeah. Lame people are the best.
They're the best. They're the best. Lame people are the best. I'm so sick of being cool. I'm done. I've realized I was never actually cool. And I'm really happy to come into my lame agent time. Thank you.